Welcome everyone to the channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss important current affairs regarding 7 December 2021. So let's begin with our session. The first question is joint military exercise, Ekuviran exercise between India and which country has been organized. So the exercise, the name of which is Ekuviran exercise, it has been organized between India and which other country. So the correct answer is your option C, Maldives. Clear? So this is the 11th edition of the exercise and it was held at Kadru Island, which is in Maldives. Now the meaning of Ekuviran is friends in Divehi language. It is an Indo-Aryan language and this language is being spoken in India, Lakshadweep and Maldives. Now this Ekuviran exercise is being conducted between India and Maldives since 2008. Clear? Next question. How many years has the Public Accounts Committee completed recently? So the correct answer to this question is option B, 100 years. So the Public Accounts Committee was introduced in 1921. The chairman of the committee is appointed by Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Okay, keep it in mind. The chairman of this committee is appointed by Speaker of the Lok Sabha. It presently comprises of 22 members, of which 15 members are elected by Lok Sabha Speaker and 7 members are elected by Rajya Sabha Chairman. Now, what is the responsibility of this committee? So, its responsibility is to check that whether the money granted to the government by the parliament has been spent as per the demand of the government or not. It basically checks the scope of demand. Clear? Next, which team has won the title by defeating Germany in Junior Hockey World Cup played at Bhubaneswar Kalinga Stadium? So who is the winner of Junior Hockey World Cup which has been played in the Kalinga Stadium of Odisha? So the correct answer of this question is your option A, Argentina. Clear? Now, this is the second World Cup won by Argentina. Okay, before this, the team Argentina has also won this title in the year 2005. Keep it in mind. Till now, Germany has won 6 titles and India has won 2 titles, which is one in 2001 and the other in 2016. Now, let's look at some awards given in this tournament. Best player of the tournament goes to Timothy Clement and he is from France. Hero top scorer of the tournament goes to Miles Boekens. He is of Netherlands and he has scored 18 goals. The best goalkeeper of the tournament has gone to Anton Brinkmann. He is from Germany. Please keep this in mind. These are very important. Next question. An agreement has been signed between India and which country regarding AK-203 assault rifles in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh? So, this agreement has been signed between India and Russia. Correct answer is option A, Russia. Okay. So, under this agreement, 5 lakh AK-203 assault rifles will be manufactured under Make in India at Korba, Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. Keep this in mind. Amethi is Korba and it is in Uttar Pradesh. Now this agreement was signed between Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Russian Defense Minister General Sergei Shoigu. Clear? Now, which state has become the country's leading manufacturing hub as per data from the RBI. Now, which state has become country's leading manufacturing hub? The answer is option C, Gujarat. Okay. So, Gujarat gross value addition in manufacturing was grown by 15.9% annually between financial year 12 to financial year 20, and it stands at rupees 5.11 lakh crore. On the other hand, Mumbai gross value addition stood at 7.5%, almost half of Gujarat for the same time period, and it stands at rupees 4.34 lakh crore in financial year 20. Now, what is this GVA, gross value addition? Now, GVA is the economic metric and it measures the supply of goods and services in an economy. Clear? Next question, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Kinara Capital? Correct answer is your option B, Ravindra Jadeja. He has been appointed as brand ambassador of Kinara Capital. Now, this Kinara is a Bangalore based innovative fintech. Okay, and it provides loans service to India's MSMEs. And till date, the company has disbursed 70,000 collateral free loans. Clear? Next, who is the author of the book 1971 Charge of the Gorkhas and Other Stories? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Rachana Bist Rawat. She is the author of the book 1971 Charge of the Gorkhas and Other Stories. Now, this book unearths true stories of the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Clear? And the other book, which was written by Rachana Bist Rawat, which is considered as the bestseller book, was The Brave and the Kargil. So this is the book, The Brave and Kargil. Clear? Who has won the F1 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2021? So the correct answer is your option A, Lewis Hamilton of Great Britain. He has won this F1 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2021. Now, he is a Mercedes driver. He is of Great Britain and the event was held at Jeddah of Saudi Arabia. Clear? Next question, this is one of the important question. India's first woman psychiatrist who passed away recently was, so correct answer is option C, M. Sharda Menon. She is India's first woman psychiatrist who passed away recently. Now, the full name is Dr. Mambalai Kalathil Sharda Menon. If I am repeating the name in the wrong way, so please sorry for that. Now, she was India's first woman psychiatrist and also longest serving head of Institute of Mental Health. She was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1992 for social works. Okay, she was also awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1992. Clear? Now, who has won the second term as president during Gambia's presidential election? So the correct answer is your option D, Adama Barrow. He has won the second term as president of Gambia. He defeated his opponent Darobe. Clear? Now, Gambia's capital is Banjul and the currency of Gambia is Gambian Dalasi. Clear? Keep it in mind. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends and families. So by this way, learn and grow gradually. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.